All right, here we go. Question number 23 from our 0314 homework number 4 in MyLab Math. And the instructions say simplify by removing factors of 1. Okay, so here what they mean is they mean to simplify the rational expression. And anytime you're trying to simplify a rational expression, by the way, rational means fractional. If you're trying to reduce this fraction to lowest terms, this is going to be a two-step process, and it's going to be factor and cancel, or at least that's the way I like to teach it. You need to factor the numerator and denominator as much as possible, and then we're going to cancel any common factors, okay? Now, in the numerator, I've got s squared minus 1. That is the difference of two squares. And if we follow the recipe that has 3 ingredients, the first ingredient is parentheses, second ingredient different signs, and the third ingredient fill in the blanks, okay? So s times s is s squared. 1 times 1 is 1. And if you want to FOIL that and check it, it will give you this back. All right, next step. We've got our fraction bar. And in the denominator, what we have is a standard trinomial. Again, this is a standard trinomial because the lead coefficient is 1 and there are 3 terms. And so we're going to use the recipe for factoring a standard trinomial, which also has 3 ingredients, okay? First ingredient, parentheses. Second ingredient, read the signs. If there's a plus at the back, you have to look at the front, and that's what they both are. So these are both going to be minus. And then the third ingredient, fill in the blanks. S times s, s squared. And then this time I'm going to need two numbers that multiply to make 1 and add to make -2. And that's, well, if you think about it, the only numbers that multiply to make 1 are 1 and 1. And -1 and -1 add to make -2. So that is factored correctly. So now we have the factoring step done. Now we're going to cancel any common factor from the numerator and the denominator. And I can see that the top and the bottom both have an s minus 1. So those are going to cancel. And my final answer is s plus 1 over s minus 1, okay? Now, before I put that in, let me talk to some of you that are thinking, well, what about these s's? These s's are the same. Can't we just cancel those out? And the answer is no. No, you can't. And the reason is because you can cancel factors, but you cannot cancel terms, okay? The s minus 1s, they were being multiplied by other stuff. These s's, they're not being multiplied by the 1s. They're added and subtracted. So these s's are terms, and you cannot cancel terms, but you can cancel factors, okay? And so that's how I know when to stop. Part of math is knowing when to stop, okay? So we've got a fraction, s plus 1, s minus 1, fingers crossed. Bam, there you go. Man, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.